Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a kitchen deep clean. Our kitchen is currently a disaster. We've been so busy lately and things have just been piling up. It is definitely time to clean the kitchen and start fresh. I'm going to be tidying and wiping down all the surfaces, sweeping, doing all those kind of basic cleaning tasks, but I'm also going to tackle some of the more deep cleaning tasks like cleaning the microwave, the oven, and the dishwasher. So if you need some cleaning motivation and inspiration, then just keep watching. Here's an overview of what the kitchen is looking like beforehand. We've got a very dirty toaster oven, a cluttered counter. The stovetop has some spills on it just from coffee and day-to-day cooking. The inside of the oven isn't looking too bad. I'll probably just give it a wipe down. The sink area definitely needs help. And back here is a pile of our recycling that I have to collect up so we can take down. I'm starting with putting away the dishes that were drying on the countertop as well as emptying the dishwasher. Before I reload the dishwasher, I'm going to clean it out. First, I'll take out this filter. It's really not looking too bad. There's just a couple little things in there. I'm washing these parts of the dishwasher with some dish soap and then scrubbing them down. I'm now filling a mug with some cleaning vinegar, then placing it on the top rack of the dishwasher and running it on a light cycle. While the dishwasher is running, I'm going to tackle the toaster oven. First, I'm taking out this bottom tray here and removing the aluminum foil. Having the aluminum foil at the bottom of the toaster oven really helps for collecting crumbs and making sure that the tray itself doesn't get too dirty. I tried cleaning the tray just with some dish soap and a cloth, but it wasn't doing the trick. So now I'm trying with this scrubby brush instead, but the stains still weren't coming off. I took some baking soda and mixed it with water in a bowl until it made kind of a paste. And now I'm spreading it all over the tray, concentrating more on the areas that have the grease stains on it. Before I clean the inside of the toaster oven, I make sure to unplug it. These are the trays we have for the toaster oven. I really don't know how they got so dirty, but I'm going to attempt to clean them with more of the baking soda and water solution. I'm now realizing just how much baking soda it's going to take to cover these two trays. I probably should have started with the other one because it isn't quite as dirty as this one. And I don't think I'm going to have enough baking soda to do everything I want to do with it today, but we can always save that for another day. I'm letting the baking soda and water mixtures sit on these surfaces for about 15 minutes or so. Now moving on to the glass door, I'm adding more baking soda and water. I'm filling up the sink with soapy water to soak the rack. This has been sitting for 15 minutes now. I'm going to wet this sponge and wipe it off. This part definitely takes some hard scrubbing, but it actually works really well. I am amazed with how all of these stains are coming off with just the water and baking soda. As you can see, it's not easy, but it definitely is worth it to see those stains coming off and to see the silver tray shining through. Since there's so much baking soda on here, I decided to take a spoon and try to smear it on the sides where there's also lots of stains. This was a little bit tricky, but I think if I had more baking soda, I'd be able to cover the sides and the back more easily. This is definitely something I want to do in my next kitchen deep clean. I'm working really hard at scrubbing the sides and the back, and although it does not get perfect, it is definitely an improvement from where we started. I'm now taking a damp microfiber cloth to wipe out the inside of the toaster oven. I now have a fresh microfiber cloth to dry out the inside of the toaster oven. I'm attempting to scrub down the wire rack with some dish soap and a scrubby brush, which did not work very well, which I shouldn't have been surprised about. Instead, I'm using this scrubby sponge again with the baking soda and water mixture and really scrubbing the racks and getting all of that grease off of there. This was time consuming, but really not that difficult. I'm putting a fresh sheet of aluminum foil on the bottom tray and then putting it back inside the toaster oven. Now that the dishwasher is finished, I'm taking out this mug that was full of the vinegar water. It does look very shiny in here, so that's nice. Now time to load up the dishwasher with all of the dirty dishes. To clean the countertops, I'm starting with clearing everything off. I'm spraying them down with some all-purpose cleaner and a clean microfiber cloth. I'm now taking apart my gas stovetop so I can get all underneath and clean all the stains off. I'm just using some Lysol all-purpose cleaning spray and a microfiber cloth again to clean the stovetop here. But you'll have to let me know if you have a favorite method of cleaning stovetops like this. I'm now loading up all of our recycling into a reusable bag so we can take it down to our recycling and garbage room in the apartment building. To clean the sink, I'm putting some Vim on a damp sponge and then wiping the whole sink down. This is what the inside of our microwave is looking like. Not great. To clean it, I'm putting a cup of water into this Pyrex measuring cup and then adding a couple tablespoons of cleaning vinegar. Then I'm putting this into the microwave for 5 minutes. While that's heating up, I'm cleaning the front of the oven along with the fronts of the cabinet doors. It's amazing how many things get spilled down here. Method I read online said to leave the water and vinegar mixture in the microwave for a few minutes after it's done heating up. So that's what I did, and now I'm carefully taking it out and also removing the turntable. Now I'm taking a sponge and wiping down the inside of, and here's the clean inside of the microwave, much better than before. Now is time to clear off the kitchen island, which definitely becomes a dumping ground for anything and everything. We don't have an office or a room for a desk in this apartment, so I tend to set up my laptop and everything on the kitchen island. And then, of course, other things tend to follow it. I try to clear off the kitchen island every day, but I swear it just gets filled up the very next day. One of the last steps is always sweeping the floors, which are disgusting, but I always leave this to the end because when you're cleaning off the countertops, things get thrown to the floor, so it's pretty pointless to sweep before doing anything else. To finish it off, I'm now mopping the floors with my Swiffer. Here is the final look at our clean kitchen. I think I was most impressed with how well the baking soda cleaned the toaster oven, and now I just want to keep doing it until it's perfect. I love a clear countertop. We only keep the things on here that we use every day. I just think it looks so much better, so much cleaner, and calmer. I also cleared off the top of our freezer, which I tend to use as a coffee table since we don't have one, but now I just have my decorative pumpkins on there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I deep cleaned my kitchen. Be sure to leave me some of your best kitchen cleaning tips below and check out some of my previous videos if you've missed any. If you love cleaning and organizing videos, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.